We're doing solid gold, but shotguns only. We're gonna try to win, but probably not gonna win, cause we're not the best of players. But all right, so we're gonna be doing some solid gold shotguns only. We're gonna get smoked. If we can't win, we'll try and get like top two, to like top like three. That'll be try. Yeah, we'll just try and do as best as we can. Yeah. Wait, let's we can go pleasant because retail is like first drop. Wait, did you load in the match? Yeah, that's what being on PC feels like. You're like the only one in the lobby, and like no one else is moving. Oh, look at that aim! Oh, look at that cracked aim! Oh my god! Oh, look at that cracked aim! Oh yeah. We didn't start the game. We didn't start the game. we didn't jump the battle bus. And that doesn't count. For everybody watching that video, you did not see me just use the burst assault rifle. Yeah, 30 is nothing to complain. See, I just wanted the 103. Now it's coming back down. He's chilling. Just straight shit. Give me a gun. Give me a. Nope. That's not a gun I can use. Give me a gun I can use. Give me a gun I can use. Nope. That's not a gun I can use. Give me a gun I can use. Give me a gun I can use. Please, please, please. That's not a gun I can use. And that's epic. What? Give me the big pot, please. Maybe not. Oh, crash pads, those are good. I didn't either. No, I didn't loot all of it. Wait, are we allowed to use, yeah, we're allowed to use grenades. That's not a shotgun. That'd be good. So at least we get a shotgun off spawn. Oh, wait, it is? Oh, scar. Oh, another scar. Oh yeah, actually I need to heal it. I need to, Oh, let's go. That's like all we need for the game. That's the only gun we need for the victory. Oh, scar. That's awesome. Actually, I don't need that. Why would I need I don't need bandages. No, I tried to get on the top. Wait. Oh wait, there's one under there. Is that an infantry? That's an infantry rifle, isn't it? Oh, yep, it is. Yeah, guys, let's count how many chests I can search without getting a single shotgun. I am at like 12. I've looted 4 houses, and I'm about to loot my 5th. Yeah. Yeah, this is epic. Oh. Yeah, combats are good. None. I searched like all of them. We don't even need to rotate. We're like smack in the middle. I just heard someone on a zip line. I mean, at least I think I did. Oh. Oh! You see my ping is cooperating right now, right? 500 ping lag spikes, right? Oh wait, I didn't loot gas station. I swear, if there's a shotgun from like ground loot on gas station, or this one chest, the one chest. Oh, that would be funny. There's like a coin up here. Blue is better. No, it's not. I don't know. Really? I've seen trailers about like it being like ancient theme. Yeah. Run, 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 run. Oh, he jumped already? I'm coming, I'm coming. We're gonna definitely this fight. No! Oh my god. Sometimes I forget my keybinds. You know, a lot of the time I forget my keybinds. Yeah, that's the one thing we have a crap ton of. What the? Oh my god. Yeah, they had attack. Why did that guy just stick the res though? I don't get it. I'll bring attack for you. I'm just gonna pad. Because there's gonna be teams in Pleasant any second now. If I build, it'll be obvious. What? I didn't touch anything. I swear. All I did was uncrouch. Maybe I pressed C on accident, or maybe I pressed wall on accident. Alright, well here, DJ. You get the attack, I get the combat. Oh, you're toxic. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I forgot about that for a second. Oh, helicopter! We could just camp in the sky. That might be a winning strat. Yeah, I want those chug splashes back here. Alright, I have 2 stacks of chug splashes. Minis, a stack of minis, and a stack of big pops. Let's not WP, but okay, people are dying to spawn. That's good. I took that kid's wall and he just stuck the res, and I was like, boy. Oh, there's people over there. Right there. Wait, alright, yeah. But do you want to get in the chopper? Shh. Kai, hide behind the chopper. They're gonna go in, right when they go in, beam them. No, get over here. I'm not gonna drive in. Boost is shit. Oh god. I'll protect you. I'll make it like that. Okay. I'm not the best driver. Okay? I haven't driven a helicopter like ever. Alright, let's make this house our home. Lovely house, isn't it? It's also a lovely house to get a combat shotgun in the end game, right? Isn't it? Oh, well, I don't think so. Okay, he went on the red house. He went to the red house. Okay, we need zone. They're not completely fighting. Oh, he just shot a sniper. It didn't hit, but like, no, but they're both in front of us. Oh, he's shooting rockets. If he W keys, we're third partying. Wait a bit. Get in the house. Because there's a kid behind us now. He's on the house. They're not on the same team. They're fighting. Shotguns only, bro. Let's go. Alright, well, you know what to do. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe down below. And yeah, this is our first video. We just got a dub first try. Let's go. Alright, see ya.